The Book of Nehemiah tells the story of how God used Nehemiah, the cupbearer to the Persian king, to rebuild the walls of Jerusalem after the Babylonian exile. Nehemiah heard about Jerusalem's desolation and was deeply moved. He prayed for God's help and, with the king's permission, traveled to Jerusalem to lead the reconstruction. He faced significant challenges: external opposition from enemies like Sanballat and Tobiah, who mocked and threatened the workers, and internal struggles, like the mistreatment of the poor by the wealthy. Nehemiah tackled these issues through prayer, organization, and reform, inspiring the people to keep working. In just 52 days, the wall was completed, a testament to their determination and God's favor. Afterward, Nehemiah and Ezra led the people in a spiritual revival, reading the law of Moses, which led to confession, celebration, and a renewed covenant with God. Nehemiah's story highlights God's faithfulness and the importance of perseverance, showing how both physical and spiritual restoration are possible through devoted leadership and unity.